You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French rugby player, we playing as a hooker for the French national team. In French first, how we say it in France. Julien, it's the same, it's my first name as well, so I know how to pronounce this one. Julien. You could say Julian, Julien, if you cannot pronounce French very well. Otherwise, Julien Marchand. Marchand is how we say it in French, silent D. If you cannot pronounce it very well, in English, you could say Marchand, Marchand, Julien Marchand. I know, it's a mouthful. Julien Marchand. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.